one more similar kind of problem now. Let me go through. Find the reduced pos form using K-map. Look at the expression f of ABCD is equal to pi of capital M. They have given the pi of capital M, means these are, we call them as a max terms, okay? Pi of capital M, and they have asked for reduced pos form. So we should not bother about the SOP now, okay, because the given expression is in the form of pos and they have asked for the reduced pos itself. So we should not bother about the SOP. So we have less confusions now. And 0, 2, 5, this is a don't case. And implement the using NOR gate. In the previous problem we have implemented using NAND gate, but here they have asked to implement using NOR gate, okay. So I have filled the max terms with zeros, and don't case I just grouped there is a possibility of 2 quads, so there was not a possibility of an octant. Fill the remaining with ones, so don't forget to fill the remaining portions, okay. I got an expression like CD plus A bar B bar, and I have simplified this. I have finally got this pos. So no matter what, whether it is a SOP or a pos expression, whatever it was, when after grouping, the first expression what you are going to get will be of the SOP. If they ask for SOP, leave it here itself. If they ask for pos, put a whole bar and simplify this one, okay. This you're going to get a pos now. So going on to the next, so implement using NOR gate. So as usual, in the previous problem we have implemented using NAND gate. What was the first thing we did is we draw the basic circuit by using the basic gates. This is an OR gate, this is an AND gate, this is a NOT gate. These are the 3 basic gates, okay. So A, B, so we have A plus B, right? So A plus B, OR refers to plus, right? And C bar plus D bar, C bar, right? So C comes here C bar, D comes here D bar. So C bar plus D bar with respect to OR gate. Both are with a AND gate, so connected to an input of AND gate. This is a basic circuit. Okay. So what is the first step? So in the previous problem, like when they asked to implement using a NAND gate, what is the first step? Put the bubbles at the input of OR gate and the output of AND gate. This was the first step. If they asked to implement using NAND gate, put the bubbles at the input of OR gate and the input of AND gate. But here they are asked to implement using NOR gate. So a slight change. Put the bubbles at the input of AND gate and the output of OR gate. Reverse, ulta. So if they ask for NAND gate, put the bubbles for the input of OR gate and output of an AND gate in case of NAND gate. In case of NOR gate, put the bubbles at the input of AND gate and output of OR gate, ulta. So if it is NAND, put the inputs for the input of OR gate and output of AND gate. If it is NOR, put the bubbles at the input of AND gate and output of OR gate. So I just added bubbles for the output of OR gate and input of AND gate. So don't do anything with respect to these NOT gates, okay. You are supposed to make a changes with respect to AND gate and OR gate. Output of OR gate, input of AND gate. That's it. This is the first step. Second step, so wherever you added a bubble, put an inverter there. This is second step. Insert an inverter for each bubble. You added a bubble here, so put a inverter here. You added a bubble here, put a inverter here. So you added a bubble here, put a inverter here. You added a bubble here, put a inverter here. So just because you added bubble here, you are not supposed to put a inverter here. You added a bubble behind the input of AND gate, so NOT gate should be just behind these bubbles. So you added a bubble output of OR gate, so the NOT gate should be output in front of the OR gate. This is input, so behind the bubble. This is output, so after the bubble you added, you're supposed to add the NOT gate. So this is your second step. Third step, eliminate the double inversion as usual. If you find double NOT gates, just eliminate like this, cancels. So here there is only one NOT gate, don't eliminate. Don't eliminate this bubble with this NOT gates, okay. This is supposed to be as it is. So the simplified circuit looks like this, okay. Now step 4, replace bubbled AND gate and NOT gate with a NOR gate. So in the previous problem, replace bubbled OR gate, here replace bubbled AND gate. So here bubbled OR gate, look at here, bubbled OR gate is similar to NAND gate. Similarly, here, where is that? Bubbled AND gate. This bubbled AND gate is equal to NOR gate. So both are one and the same. Bubbled AND gate is equal to NOR gate. Here, bubbled OR gate is equal to NAND gate. Bubbled OR gate is equal to NAND gate. Similarly, bubbled NAND gate is equal to NOR gate. Okay. So what was this, in the previous problem? Replace bubbled OR gate and NOR gate with a NAND gate. Here, replace bubbled NAND gate and NOR gate with a NOR gate. Okay. So here it is a bubbled AND gate replaced with NOR gate. Here is a NOR gate, keep as it is. Here it is a NOR gate, keep as it is. Replace these two NOT gates with a what? NOR gates. This NOT gate can be written as like this: single input, single output. This NOT gate and this NOR gate both function the same, because single input, single output. This is also single input, this single output. NOT gate na ಈ ತರನು ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು NOR gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ NOT gate ನ NAND gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಈ ತರ ಕೂಡ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Okay. So this will be your final circuit, which is supposed to be solved by using only the NOR gate, right? Look at this circuit. We have only the NOR gates. This will be your final results.